Welcome back. It's your boy Romanovich, Auto Surgeon. Jumping back on this 2019 Ford F-150 XL. We're going ahead and starting to button everything up. This frame piece is already nice and secure. We're gonna go ahead and start throwing on the new air box that goes over here, running everything. I'm gonna start throwing on the radiator support piece right here and start moving along. We're trying to piece everything in front here. There's not a lot to do, so let's go ahead and try to whip this thing out and get it ready for the road. Good deal. Let's get it. here, guys, look at this crazy progress. We've made amazing progress. Pretty awesome. Everything up here is pretty much secure. We have like literally one tube is missing from here. That goes from this one here down to another connection down here. We were repairing this piece here. We're just waiting for another piece to come in, and we'll probably be swapping it out. But other than that, it's done under here. There's not one thing missing. That is sweet. Now we just got to put the air shutter on here, put the little plastic pieces, the guards on, the headlights, the transmission cooler right here, and just keep going. We're pretty much done. This is looking wonderful. Everything's going back like a Lego, so that is awesome. Very excited. Don't worry, guys, I'm doing everything by spec. He's supervisor out here, you know. So this is the air shutter. It's a pretty cool system. Opens and closes the air shutter to cool the truck. Get this little actuator right here that goes in. It goes from this side, and it's supposed to fit on this little piece here. That's going to be where the motor actuates. So I guess I have to maybe pull these sideways. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this with two hands, so give me 1 second. So to give you a small explanation of what I did, I went ahead and pulled the main shutter that controls it, where it goes into the actual actuator motor. Pulled it from both sides, slid them in, and then pushed it inside where this little clip goes in this piece. And then the front goes in here, and this little clip, retainer clip, holds it so it doesn't fall out. Simple as that. Pretty simple, I would say. Now you gotta, of course, put it back on, make sure it's all working together. So there you have it. We finally getting the whole headlight on. Everything is looking wonderful. All the body lines and everything is matching up really well. I think our issue right now that I'm having is I put this piece together, the air shroud, but whenever I'm putting the headlight in, it's rubbing up here bad, and from this side. So I'm thinking that I was actually sold the incorrect one. Maybe it's possible it happens. So I'll have to definitely look into that one, because it does not want to let the headlight go all the way in. It's pushing all on this side, so I think that won't be too big of a deal. Get the nicely reordered or whatever we need to do and remount it, but everything looks good. All we got to do is put the fender on, the door on, and then we'll go ahead and assemble that headlight and the whole plastic pieces. But we're coming to an end. And just like that, I think we're gonna wrap it up for today. Today we had some serious progress. It's coming along really well. We're almost done, and I think we're gonna have this thing up on the road really soon. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay alerted, and hit the little bell so you get notifications of progress on this truck and the next builds that we have to come. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.